Welcome back to the third session on Element of Accounts, Part 1 of Standard 11 books, Introduction to Goods and Services Tax. In this Part 3, we are going to learn, which is not provided in your books, but is a working model of GST which needs to understand. And I will show you only two PPT slides, two slides only, and I will complete this session, right? But two slides will take more time or much time, right? So let's learn about the working model, how this GST is working. And GST is, the destination based and on value added, whatever the value added on that is a concept. The fundamental concept of GST is value added tax. So let's learn about the GST model. So the GST, first of all, we are learning the within state. It means that intrastate transaction is there, how the GST is working. So let's learn. For example, myself is a timber maker. I am Yagnesh, right? I am Yagnesh. So I am timber maker. What I am doing? वीरप्पन के जैसे मैं जंगल में जाता हूँ, मैं लकड़ी काटता हूँ एंड आई गेट द ट्रीज एंड उसका अच्छी तरह से उसको साफ सफाई करके मैं टिम्बर बनाता हूँ, राइट? और ताकि ये आप हो, राइट, यू, राइट, जो भी नाम है तुम्हारा, दैट इज़ योर फर्नीचर मेकर. आप फर्नीचर की बना रहे हो, बेच नहीं रहे हो, मतलब बना रहे हो और रिटेल में बेच नहीं रहे हो, और जो होलसेल रिटेलर है उसको दे रहे हो, राइट? और ये आपका फ्रेंड है, राइट? और ये आज के आजू बाजू वाले लोग हैं जो कस्टमर है, राइट? और हम मान लो ये सोफ़ा बनाते हैं ना, और ये सोफ़ा का कष्ट कर करके मर जाने वाले ये सब फाइनल कंज्यूमर है, राइट? सो एग्जाम्पल समझ में आ गया? यस सर. हु एम आई एम टिम्बर मेकर. हु आर यू? यू आर फर्नीचर मेकर. हु इज़ रिटेलर? योर फ्रेंड्स. एंड वो आर द कंज्यूमर, आपके आजू बाजू वाले पड़ोसी, नेबर्स. ओके, सो लेट्स, तो आई हैव गिवन एग्जाम्पल दैट आई एम टिम्बर मेकर. I'm going to jungle and cutting the trees and making the timber. Okay, so and one fine day you come to me and you are saying that I want certain timbers for sofa making because my friend wants it, right? So I said, okay, no problem. So how much you want? I said that one truck. Okay, don't worry. And for example, I am very nice person and I am charging 100 rupees for this timber, right? So I am charging 100 rupees, but this is a within the state example, right? So you are here, you are from Gujarat only. So what I will charge? I will charge SGST, and in example it is a 20%, right? GST rate is 20%. 10% SGST, 10% CGST. Okay, sir. Now cost of goods is 100 rupees. So I am supplying goods worth rupees 100 rupees to you. Yes. So I have to charge GST because I am supplying 100, right? So 10 rupees, 10 rupees, that is 10%, 10%, total 20%. So I will give you the tax invoice. I will make this invoice. I will prepare. I will sign here, right? मेरा sign इधर होगा और ये आपको I will send you and you will receive this tax invoice. Yes sir. So now what I have charged? CGST and SGST. What I will pay? So 10 rupees I will pay to my Gujarat government, and 10 I will pay to Modi government, central government, right? So central government I will pay 10 because I have charged, and this is the intrastate supply which attracts both SGST and CGST. You understood? Yes sir, I understood. Okay, then our relationship over. Now you are good furniture maker and you made a furniture. Okay, तो सोफ़ा बनाया आपने, राइट? कितने? 5 सोफ़ा बनाया, बड़े बड़े, राइट? एंड यू आर सेलिंग टू योर फ्रेंड्स एज डिसाइडेड, वो 5. तो व्हाट यू हैव डन, 100 रुपीज़ का टिम्बर लेके गए और सब मतलब फर्नीचर बनाया, उसका वैल्यू आपने 200 कर दिया. सो यू सेड टू योर फ्रेंड that I will charge 200 rupees. He said, no worries. So on 200 rupees, again the rate is same, 20%. So I will charge 10% SGST, matlab you will charge 10% SGST and 10% what? CGST, and total bill of or total tax invoice of 240 rupees you will give to whom? Your friend. Okay, it means that your friend has paid you 20 rupees for SGST, 20 rupees for CGST. Yes, sir. Now, how much you are going to pay to state and center? 2020? No, no, Baba. No 2020. Only you know that when I have given you the bill, I have charged 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. You already paid CGST and SGST, 10 rupees. So what have you collected? 20 rupees. You have collected 20 rupees and you have paid to me 10 rupees. So 10 rupees extra that you have value added. So 100 rupees is value added. So 100 earlier it was 100, now 100 is value added. So 10 rupees you are going to pay. So 10 rupees, this is the input tax credit. You have collected 20, but you have given to me. This is ITC that we have learned. And 10 rupees you are going to give to center government, means Gujarat government, and 10 rupees you are going to give to center CGST, 10%, 10%, right? Okay, sir, I understood this. Now your friend will get this bill. Okay, it means he has paid 20 rupees. Okay, sir. Now your friend is retailer and very smart. So for total, he has sold to your neighbor, one neighbor, and he said that I will charge nothing, no more money. I will charge only 300. What was the value? 200. 300. लगा दिया 100 का चूना, right? So 300 rupees. Now when your friend selling to you his neighbor, right? So what he'll charge? 20% total, 10. Okay, so 30 will be charged. So total bill of this last customer, means his neighbor, will be 360, because 10%, 20%. So total 300, uska 20%, 60 rupees will be the GST. So total cost of the final consumer, means neighbor of your friend, is 360 rupees. Now 360 is to bear, और सोफा पे आराम से बैठेगा और आपको बहुत सारी गालियां देगा, नहीं अच्छा बोलेगा, ठीक है. So 360 rupees is charge. Now your friend, what he will do? He has collected 30 rupees from the neighbor. Yes, sir, of course he has collected 30 rupees, right? So 30. Now he has paid to you because you are friend, na? So 20 rupees, right? So 30 minus 20. So he will pay 10 rupees to whom? State GST, and 10 rupees to central government. Now let's look at what has happened, right? So myself, okay, 100 rupees value tha, okay, so I have paid 10. This is SGST and this is CGST. Yes sir, समझ में आ गया. Then you, right, आपने कितना बढ़ाया? 100, 200 किया ना, मतलब हो गया कितना? 200. तो 10 रुपीज़ आप पे करेंगे, 10 रुपीज़ आप पे करेंगे, राइट. और योर फ्रेंड, उसने भी कितना चूना लगाया? 100 का चूना लगाया ना, टोटल 300 में पड़ा ना, और प्लस GST 60, 360, राइट. सो 100 रुपीज़ ही विल पे. This is CGST and SGST. So as the value is added, right? So actually is collecting, you are collecting 20, but 10 you has paid. So 10, value added 100 rupees. उस पर 10% CGST, 10% SGST लगेगा. And this way, so total value of your neighbor, NEIGHBOUR, neighbor का कितना हुआ? तो भाई नेबर ने 30 पे किया ना, 60 टोटल पे किया. नेबर बाजू वाले पे लेगा? नहीं, कंज्यूमर है, उसको भुगतना पड़ेगा. he cannot shift this tax liability to others, right? This is IDT, indirect tax, and you cannot shift, right? Last, destination. राइट, ये सब ने शिफ्ट कर दिया, ये सब आप पे डाल दिया, राइट. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, total 60 rupees is been collected, and this is collected through me 10 rupees, 10 rupees, and you, me, you, and your friend, me, you, and your friend. So total 60 rupees will be the tax, and he is going to bear, but we are going to pay, right? काम हमको करना है. I hope that you understood this way, right? And this is the way where the GST is working, right? Here the same state, within the state, that's why CGST and SGST are working. Now let me give you one more example where interstate transactions are there. Interstate transaction where what is applicable? IGST is applicable. Same thing. I am Virappan, right? जंगल में जाता हूँ, लकड़ी काटता हूँ, right? You are you, okay? This is your friend, and उसका neighbor, NEIGHBO, you are neighbor. समझ गए ना? मतलब समझ जाना है, ये स्पेलिंग वेलिंग थोड़ा गांधी जी के जैसा होगा, लेकिन यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ओके. एंड ये थोड़ा IGST वाला है तो बॉर्डर तो लगानी पड़ेगी ना. ये बॉर्डर है, बॉर्डर मतलब स्टेट बॉर्डर, गुजरात टू राजस्थान, राजस्थान टू महाराष्ट्र, महाराष्ट्र टू तमिलनाडु, बॉर्डर है, राइट. ओके सर, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग, राइट. You come to me, said that I want to make a sofa for my friend. You give me timber. Okay, I said okay, I will charge 100 rupees. You said no. Matlab, yes, yes. You said yes. You are good boy, right? Or good girl. You say yes. Okay. So now SGST I will charge 10 rupees and 10 rupees because we are from, this is the border, na? We are from Gujarat. We are Gujarati and we are from Gujarat. So what I'll charge? You are come here. So I will charge CGST and SGST as earlier because my place of supply is what? Gujarat. So I will charge what? Both the tax. Okay, sir, this understood. It's like earlier, right? Now you are sending goods to one of your friend in Rajasthan, right? Rajasthan you are sending. Now you are sending to Rajasthan. This is cross border or interstate supply, okay. So you said that I will charge 200. Your friend said no problem, I will charge 300. Just give me at 200, and 20% is the rate, right? So 20% only IGST will work. Yes sir, I understand. Now only IGST is work, right? So I will charge, you will charge what? 40 rupees, and bill of or invoice of 240 you will give to your friends. भाई ले ले, 40 रुपये दे दे मेरे को. And IGST you will giving to whom? You will giving to center. Okay, center को दे रहे हो, मतलब आप पूरा 40 रुपीज किसको दे रहे हो? सेंटर को दे रहे हो. गुड. Now what? Now what? It means that 40 rupees is given, right? 20 rupees is already 10 rupees तो दे दिया है ना, CGST SGST. तो 20 IGST you are going to pay, right? So 20 rupees IGST you are going to pay because you have collected 40 IGST, out of which 20 SGST and IGST is already said. So this is input tax credit will be considered, and you need to pay to center IGST 20 rupees you are paying to center, right? स्टेट तो बीच में आता नहीं अभी, राइट. ओके, तो ये से यहाँ से गया, राइट, ये गुड यहाँ से गया, IGST लग गई. ओके सर, अंडरस्टूड दिस पॉइंट ऑल्सो. नाउ सपोज यू आर सेंडिंग और योर फ्रेंड इज सेलिंग टू हिज नेबर. ओके, कितने में बेच रहा है सर? 300 में. तो क्या लगेगा यहाँ से यहाँ, क्या लगेगा? सी, स्टेट हैज नॉट चेंज. This is Rajasthan and this is also Rajasthan, the same state. So your friend will charge SGST and CGST. Total 360 will charge. So these two tax again come because this supply is considered is What is the supply? Intrastate, same state supply. Okay, so 30 rupees charge. Now what will be the payment, right? So what your friend has charged? Your friend has charged 60 rupees. Okay, good. Out of which what is paid to central government? So central government, they have paid what? They have paid 40 rupees to central government. How? This 20 rupees is paid by you, okay, and 10 rupees paid by me, okay. Okay, clear or not? Yes sir, it is clear. Okay, so total 30 rupees is what? Central shares. So central shares 30 rupees. 30 rupees is already paid. So nothing will pay to center, right? Because 20 rupees you have paid, 10 rupees I have paid, right? So central shares is over 30. Now what shares remaining? State government shares. So total state government shares is 30 rupees, out of which I have paid what? 20 rupees, sorry, 10 rupees I have paid. You have not paid anything to state government. So I have paid 10 rupees. So 20 rupees your friend will pay to state government of Rajasthan. राजस्थान स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को 20 रुपया यहाँ दे देगा वो. क्यों? क्योंकि राजस्थान में कंज्यूम हो रहा है बाजू वाला, राइट. सोफा पे आराम के बैठ के आपको गाली देगा, वो फाइनल कंज्यूमर कहाँ का है? राजस्थान का है. तो व्हाट विल SGST विल ट्रांसफर, एंड बाकी का 30 रुपीज ऑलरेडी पेड टू सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, राइट. I hope that you understood. When there is a cross-border transactions, with interstate transaction, IGST is applicable. I hope that you need to understand this, and if you understood this, you can always smile. 10:10 वाला जो स्माइल होता है घड़ी में होता है ना, right? So keep smiling and keep learning, and thank you very much for watching this video.